Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can set up your phone camera as a webcam on OBS. Like I'm recording here right now. If I showed you my OBS Studio, as you can see here, my camera is as a phone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open a browser. Then you just need to write Irene webcam and press on the first link here and download for Windows or download it for PC here. And after you download setup, you should see exe file. So what you need to do here, you just need to click on it and install Irene basically to your computer, right? So here, I accept agreement and then save it to whatever you like, right? Here, and then you can launch Irene. And then what you need to do here, you need to open up your phone. And on your phone, as you can see here, open up App Store. Then you need to look for the same app on your phone, Irene, and download Irene webcam for PC. And then what you need to do here, you just need to open that particular app, as you can see here. For me, it's working, and then open on desktop as well. So I will leave this recording here. I just opened the camera on my computer, on my phone. So I will put my phone on my holder, then open up your own webcam on your computer, and your phone and your camera should be on the same network. And when your phone and your PC on the same network on Irene on PC, you should see your camera here. So what you need to do here is, when you see this view on your computer, you just need to minimize Irene, then open up OBS, and then here what you need to do here is to press plus sign, select a video capture device, press OK, and then select your room webcam, OK, and then as you can see here, now I can add to my screen here. If you want to add multiple webcams to multiple scenes, what you need to do here, you need to not add again, but you just need to copy that particular scene here, copy, and then source, not scene, and then add to other screen here and paste it. And it will be two different scenes. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.